morning guys. I'm gonna start the day by replacing this post here, because if you look down here it's all rotted out. You can see all that there. Whew. So yeah, that's supporting the corner of the house, so pretty crucial that it doesn't rot any further. So the post wasn't mounted at all, it was just sitting on this concrete block. So we are going to reposition it on the same concrete block and fix it with this. Simpson strong tires. One of you guys actually recommended these, so I thought I would give it a try. So if you look at that corner there, that is bigger than the 90mm post that was there. So now the post that we're going to put in is going to match that side, which is about 135, give or take 5mm. It's also checked out over the beam rather than just sitting under it. It is 135 by 135 square, H4 pre-prime, just over 2.8 meters long. I'll lift it out as well. Yeah. I can't really see directly through the hole.
Too bloody easy, mate.
To make it easy.
Should go in now.
Should do, yeah.
Might have lined it up.
There we go, porch post replaced. There we go, mounted it on that bracket there. Right, the goal was symmetry. That post is now the same size as that box corner, and it's set in the same position as well. 55mm back from the beam. There you go. What's on the menu today, Chef Pato?
Nothing too spectacular.
What do you got? More salmon, eh?
More salmon. Let your fans down, bro. We'll see the same boring ass meal.
Oh no. Mate, they're your fans, buddy, not mine.
Subscribe to my cooking channel. Looks like shit, eh?
Looks good, looks good. Yes, that is fun.
It's a little bit broken up. Just get
Oh,
that,
yeah.
dump that in there, bro. Boom.
Yeah. What else is in there?
I need an avocado.
Ah, yep, so
This
this
bad
is
boy.
your staple, right? This is your...
This just makes everything taste better, eh?
Yep. Yep. Oh, it's good technique. Mate, you make it look easy.
Do you want to have half avocado, mate?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, have that.
Cheers, mate. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Half an avocado,
I got a knife, good man.
courtesy of the chef. Wow. Pretty good avocado too.
It's like hunting, hunting bears with spears.
Turn it on, push it once and turn on. And if you push and hold, it'll dim, or push and hold, it'll go stronger. Release, push and hold, and it'll go to full brightness. Or and you touch it, it'll turn it off. And it happens on both sides.